Dear ladies and gentlemen, today we will introduce to you a technology-based digital packaging and printing production enterprise located in Shanghai. Yinkai Packaging and Printing Shanghai Co., Ltd. Flexibility and quality need to be injected into the road of modernized packaging. We are a packaging and printing supply chain service provider. As a digital intelligent manufacturing factory, we have an independent box structure database and a digital intelligent manufacturing production line. We are committed to providing a full range of solutions for small batch orders. In today's market competition, brand packaging plays a vital role. It is not only a bridge between products and consumers, but also a representative of your brand image. We understand that each brand has unique needs, so we provide light customization services so that you can easily start your brand packaging journey. Whether you need to design personalized packaging or small batch production, we can meet your requirements. We use high-end digital intelligent equipment and professional material selection services. A variety of environmentally friendly and degradable recycled papers have been tested, which are friendly to the environment and can also ensure the texture and quality of the packaging. It has an elegant texture and excellent strength, which can carry and protect your products. In addition, we invest in T-color digital printing equipment. Advanced nanotechnology can be achieved to give packaging a smooth, wear-resistant surface that enhances its visual and tactile experience. Whether it's look or feel, our packaging can make your brand stand out. At the same time, we offer subsidized discounts for small batch orders. We understand that cost is an important consideration for brands that are just starting out. Therefore, we provide flexible price plans and preferential policies so that you can obtain high-quality packaging products at a more reasonable cost. We believe that even small batch orders should enjoy the same quality and attention as mass production. As a digital intelligent manufacturing factory, we have advanced production equipment and technology. From design to production, we improve production efficiency and quality control through digital processes and intelligent processes. Whether you are a new brand or an established brand, we can customize the most suitable packaging solution for you. Our goal is to work with you to build a successful brand and add infinite charm to your products. Our experienced team has the technical and creative skills to create unique and eye-catching packaging designs for you. Contact us now to start the light customization journey of your brand packaging. Help you create a distinctive brand image.